I just asked both Claude and ChatGPT to solve the same professional problem. One gave me a solution I could use immediately. The other, well, you'll want to stick around for what happened at timestamp. But here's what most professionals get wrong when choosing between these two AI tools. And no, it's not about which one is smarter. If you're a professional trying to decide between Claude and ChatGPT in 2026, you've probably noticed something strange. Everyone has an opinion, but nobody's showing you the actual professional use cases that matter. I'm going to show you 3 scenarios that professionals face every single day, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI to reach for and when. But first, there's one critical difference between these tools that changes everything, and it's hiding in plain sight. Let's start with something every professional does daily: writing. I asked both AIs to draft a professional email declining a project proposal while maintaining the relationship. ChatGPT's approach: fast, friendly, generic. It gave me a perfectly acceptable email that sounded like, well, like every other AI written email your clients have seen this week. Claude's approach: it asked clarifying questions first. What's my relationship with this client? What's my communication style? Then it gave me 3 different versions: direct, diplomatic, and warm. Here's the invisible difference. ChatGPT optimizes for speed. Claude optimizes for context. For professionals who write reports, proposals, or client communications, that context matters. But writing is just the surface. Let's go deeper. Test 2. I uploaded the same 50-page market research report to both AIs. ChatGPT gave me a clean summary in 30 seconds. Bullet points, key findings, done. Claude took 45 seconds but did something different. It organized insights by stakeholder groups, flagged 3 contradictions in the data, and asked if I wanted it to cross-reference specific sections. For professionals doing research, due diligence, or strategic analysis, that extra 15 seconds bought me hours of work. Here's what's wild. ChatGPT was technically faster, but Claude was more professionally useful. And remember that critical difference I mentioned? We're getting close. Final test. A complex professional scenario. I'm a marketing manager, budget cut by 30%, team down 2 people, still need to hit Q2 targets. What do I do? ChatGPT gave me 8 strategies. They were good, generic but good. Things you could find in any marketing textbook. Claude? It did something unexpected. It asked about my current team's strengths, my budget allocation, and my biggest bottleneck. Then it gave me a prioritization framework customized to my situation. But here's where it gets interesting. I told both AIs my plan had a critical flaw. ChatGPT said, "Good point. Here's how to fix it." Claude said, "Actually, that's not a flaw. Here's why your assumption is wrong." Claude pushed back, professionally, with reasoning. And that is the hidden difference that changes everything for professionals. Here's what I've learned testing both tools across hundreds of professional scenarios. ChatGPT is your speed partner. Quick answers, brainstorming sessions, first drafts. When you know exactly what you need, Claude is your thinking partner. Complex analysis, strategic decisions. When you need pushback. When context and nuance matter, the professionals who win, they use both. ChatGPT for velocity, Claude for depth. But if you could only pick one for professional work, the answer isn't what you think. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Do you need speed or strategic thinking? 2. Are you looking for options or optimization? 3. Do you want agreement or intelligent pushback? If you answered speed, options, and agreement, ChatGPT. If you answered strategic thinking, optimization, and pushback, Claude. Here's the truth most professionals miss. The question isn't which is better. It's which is better for this task. I use ChatGPT every morning for email drafts and meeting prep. I use Claude every afternoon for strategy, analysis, and complex problem solving. The critical difference? ChatGPT is trained to be helpful. Claude is trained to be useful. Those aren't the same thing. If you're a professional who wants to stop guessing and start using AI strategically, subscribe to @Creative with AI 2026. Every week, I test AI tools in real professional scenarios. No fluff, just what actually works. Drop a comment. Are you Team ChatGPT, Team Claude, or Team both? And if you made it this far, go back to timestamp 3:05. Now that you know the critical difference, that moment hits different. See you in the next one.